Lemon is one of the miraculous foods that nature has offered us. If you want to stay energetic and healthy for life, you should consume lemon juice regularly. Lemon, which gives flavor to salads, appetizers, and desserts on our tables, is a fruit included in the citrus family. Lemon is used in many areas, including cleaning products and cosmetics, due to its pleasant smell and components. You can use both the peel and the juice of the lemon. Because of its lemon peel aroma and color, it is preferred in cakes and desserts, and the benefits and uses of lemon juice are also very wide. So what are the benefits of lemon juice? Let's watch together the 9 benefits of drinking lemon water on an empty stomach every day. You can support by subscribing to my Natural Health channel by commenting and liking before going to our video.
1. Improved digestion. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach can stimulate the production of stomach acid and aid in digestion, making it easier to digest food. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, which can help to increase the production of stomach acid, which is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. By increasing the production of stomach acid, lemon juice can help to improve the digestion process and reduce symptoms of indigestion such as bloating, gas, and constipation. Additionally, lemon juice can help to flush out toxins and bacteria from the digestive tract, leaving the gut feeling clean and refreshed.
2. Detoxification. Lemon juice is a natural detoxifier. It helps to flush out toxins from the body, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Lemon juice is high in antioxidants, which can help to neutralize free radicals in the body that can cause damage to cells and contribute to aging and disease. The high levels of vitamin C in lemon juice also help to boost the function of the liver and kidneys, which are the body's main detoxifying organs. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach can also help to stimulate the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins from the body.
3. Boosts immune system. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system and protect the body from infections and illnesses. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. It also plays a vital role in the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach can provide a concentrated dose of vitamin C that can help to strengthen the immune system and protect the body from harmful pathogens.
4. Regulates blood sugar. The acidic nature of lemon juice can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for diabetics. Lemon juice has a low glycemic index, which means it doesn't cause a significant spike in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the acidic nature of lemon juice can help to slow down the absorption of sugar in the gut, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as it can help to reduce the risk of blood sugar fluctuations and complications.
5. Brightens skin. Lemon juice helps to brighten and clear the skin. It is also known to reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon juice can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Additionally, the citric acid in lemon juice can help to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells, leaving the skin looking brighter and more even-toned. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach can also help to hydrate the skin and improve its overall appearance.
6. Oral health. Lemon juice can help improve oral health by preventing tooth decay and gum disease. The acidic nature of lemon juice can help to neutralize harmful bacteria in the mouth, which can lead to plaque buildup, tooth decay, and gum disease. Additionally, the vitamin C in lemon juice can help to strengthen the gums and protect the teeth from damage. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach can also help to freshen breath and leave the mouth feeling clean and refreshed.
7. Increases metabolism. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach can help increase metabolism, which can aid in weight loss. The high levels of antioxidants and vitamin C in lemon juice can help to boost the metabolism and increase the body's ability to burn fat. Additionally, the acidic nature of lemon juice can help to stimulate the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating
8. Cleans the liver. Lemon juice is known to be beneficial in helping to cleanse the liver. The high levels of vitamin C in lemon juice can act as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful toxins and chemicals in the liver. The acidity in lemon juice can also stimulate the production of bile in the liver, which aids in the breakdown of fats and aids in digestion. In addition, the high levels of ajor fiber in lemons can help to flush out toxins from the liver and promote the elimination of waste products from the body. Furthermore, drinking lemon juice can also help to detoxify the liver by increasing the production of enzymes, which can help to break down toxins and flush them out of the body. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach every day can be beneficial for liver health and overall detoxification. However, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor before making any ajor changes to your diet or lifestyle.
9. Kidney stones. Lemon juice is known to have benefits for individuals with kidney stones. The citric acid present in lemon juice can help to dissolve calcium-based kidney stones and prevent new stones from forming. The high levels of vitamin C in lemon juice also helps to increase the levels of citrate in the urine, which can inhibit the formation of kidney stones. Drinking lemon juice can also help to flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, promoting overall kidney health. Furthermore, the high water content in lemons can also help to increase urine output, which can help flush out small stones that may be present in the kidneys. Drinking lemon juice regularly and staying hydrated can be helpful in preventing the formation of kidney stones. However, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor if you suspect you have kidney stones or before making any changes to your diet or medication regimen.
You can drink it every morning on an empty stomach by squeezing half a lemon into a glass of warm water. You can also add a tablespoon of olive oil to this lemon juice. People with high blood pressure, pregnant or breastfeeding, or those with a chronic illness should not consume it without consulting a doctor. People who use regular medication should consume lemon juice at least 2 hours after taking their medication. I wish you all a healthy life free from diseases. If you want to be informed about useful information on our Natural Health channel, you can support by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell button. In this way, you can watch our new videos with the notifications that will come to your message box. Stay healthy. See you again.